everyday conversations, in everyday life, knowing how to use common phrases and questions in English is essential. Let's go through some common situations: introducing yourself, ordering food, shopping, making a reservation, and small talk. These conversations will help you navigate basic interactions smoothly. 1. Introducing yourself. Basic introductions. When meeting someone for the first time, introducing yourself in a polite and clear manner is important. Here are simple phrases you can use when introducing yourself. Key phrases: Hi, I'm, your name. Basic introduction: Hello, my name is, your name. A more formal version: Nice to meet you. Polite response: It's a pleasure to meet you. More formal response: Where are you from? To ask about someone's origin: I'm from, city or country. Answering where you're from: What do you do? To ask about someone's job: I'm a, job or profession. Responding to a question about your job. Example conversation: Person A: Hi, I'm Sarah. Person B: Hello, my name is John. Nice to meet you. Person A: Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Person B: I'm from London. How about you? Person A: I'm from New York. What do you do? Person B: I'm a teacher. What do you do? Person A: I'm a graphic designer. In basic introductions, it's common to ask about someone's background, job, or hobbies. This helps start the conversation and build a connection. 2. Ordering food. Basic restaurant vocabulary. When you go to a restaurant, you'll need to know how to order food and drinks. It's useful to understand how to ask for the menu, place your order, and ask for the bill. The key phrases: Can I have the menu, please? Asking for the menu: I would like dish or drink. Polite way to order: Can I get dish or drink? More casual way to order: What do you recommend? Asking for the waiter's suggestion: Can I have a glass of water, please? Requesting water: Can I see the dessert menu? Asking for the dessert menu: Could we have the bill, please? Asking for the check: Is service included? Asking if a tip is included. Example conversation. Waiter: Hello, are you ready to order? Customer: Yes, I'll have the chicken salad, please. Waiter: Would you like anything to drink? Customer: Just a glass of water, please. Waiter: Certainly. Anything else? Customer: No, that's all for now. Waiter: Great. I'll bring your order shortly. Later. Customer: Can we have the bill, please? Waiter: Of course. Here you go. Ordering food is a common interaction, so practicing these phrases will help you feel confident when dining out. 3. Shopping. Basic phrases and questions. When you go shopping, it's important to know how to ask for what you need, check prices, and inquire about products. Whether you're buying clothes, groceries, or gifts, these phrases will be helpful. Key phrases: How much is this? Asking for the price: Can I try this on? Inquiring if you can try on clothes: Where is the fitting room? Asking for the location of the fitting room: Do you have this in a different size or color? Checking for other options: I'm looking for product. Asking for a specific item: Is this on sale? Asking if the item is discounted: Can I pay by card? Asking if you can use a card to pay: Do you offer a refund or exchange? Inquiring about the return policy. Example conversation, customer, excuse me, how much is this sweater? Salesperson, it's $50. Customer, do you have it in a medium? Salesperson, let me check. Yes, we have it in medium. Customer, great. Can I try it on? Salesperson, sure. The fitting room is over there. After trying it on, customer, I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Salesperson, yes, we accept cards. Shopping conversations are straightforward, and these phrases will help you get what you need while shopping. 4. Making a reservation, hotel, restaurant, or appointment. Making reservations is essential when planning to go to a restaurant, stay at a hotel, or schedule an appointment. These phrases will help you navigate the process smoothly. Key phrases for a restaurant reservation. I'd like to make a reservation for number, people. Reserving a table. What time is your next available table? Asking for availability. Can I reserve a table for time? Asking for a specific time. Do you have outdoor seating? Asking about seating options. Is there a dress code? Inquiring about any dress requirements. Example conversation, restaurant, customer, hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people. Host, sure, when would you like to come? Customer, tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. Host, let me check. Yes, we have a table available. Customer, great. Can I request a table by the window? Host, I'll note that. We look forward to seeing you. Key phrases for a hotel reservation. I'd like to book a room for number, nights. Booking a room. Do you have any rooms available for date? Checking availability. What's the price per night? Asking about the cost. Is breakfast included? Inquiring about amenities. Can I get a late checkout? Requesting to stay longer after checkout time. Example conversation, hotel, customer, hello, I'd like to book a room for 3 nights starting next Friday. Receptionist, certainly. Let me check availability. Yes, we have rooms available. Customer, what's the price per night? Receptionist, the price is $150 per night, and breakfast is included. Customer, perfect. I'll book the room. 5. Small talk. Basic conversational phrases. Small talk is a polite conversation about non-controversial topics. It's important for breaking the ice and maintaining friendly interactions. Common topics for small talk include the weather, hobbies, travel, and daily life. Key phrases. How are you? Basic greeting. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Replying to a greeting. How's the weather today? Talking about the weather. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Commenting on the weather. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Asking about someone's plans. What do you do for fun? Asking about hobbies. Have you been on any trips recently? Talking about travel. Example conversation. Person A, hi. How are you today? Person B, I'm good, thanks. How about you? Person A, I'm great. It's such a nice day outside. Person B, yes, the weather is perfect today. Person A, do you have any plans for the weekend? Person B, I might go hiking. How about you? Person A, I'm planning to visit my family. Small talk is a great way to start a conversation or fill in moments of silence. It helps build rapport with others. Summary: being able to handle everyday conversations is a key skill when learning a new language. Whether you're introducing yourself, ordering food, shopping, making reservations, or engaging in small talk, these common phrases and dialogues will help you feel more comfortable in a variety of situations. Practice them to improve your fluency and confidence in everyday English. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand English grammar a little better. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future lessons. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.